Hi, my name is Jillian, and today I'll be presenting on the SAQ and plyometric drills for defensive line back. First, we'll start with a needs analysis for the sport. So the position of defensive back consists of 4 to 5 players, mainly in the defensive backfield, and they're responsible for preventing long pass plays. So characteristics of the athletes, they're fast and quick to adjust to the offense on the opposing team. So the goals of them is to match the strides of the receiver, intercept passes, or tackle the receiver. So the major muscles used for these athletes are the major areas, so lower body muscles, including the glutes, quads, hamstrings, and calves. Upper body muscles, including the pectorals, biceps, and triceps for the tackling and throwing. So physiological analysis, they use the anaerobic, alactic, and anaerobic lactic systems. So for the warm-up and exercise order, this follows the ramp protocol and starts with a general 5-minute warm-up, so like running around the field. So it starts with some lower body dynamic stretching for activating and mobilizing the athlete's muscles, and then higher intensity exercises and potentiation exercises to prepare the athlete for higher intensity workouts. And the exercises are listed here. So we have the SAQ drill first, deceleration, lower body plyo, split squat jump, and upper body plyo, the chest pass. So for the order of exercises for the workout, we will begin with the SAQ drill first because of the amount of coordination and cognitive skills that this involves, and performing this first will reduce the risk of injury since the athlete should be fresh. Next, we have the lower body plyos of the split squat jump, and this goes before upper body plyos since this uses larger muscle groups. So first we have the deceleration drill. So the purpose of this is to improve acceleration and deceleration of the defensive back when covering the opponent's offense. So this can help improve their abilities and prevent injuries while sprinting. So for this drill, when performing a forward deceleration drill, they rapidly accelerate and then control into a stopped lunge position. So for this, if they go at a 50% speed, they take 3 steps behind these cones over here. They're going at 75% speed, they take 5 steps. At top speed, they take 7 steps, which is more advanced. And the length is about 5 to 15 yards. So I'll play the video. The demonstration. This is about 50% speed, so I took about 3 lunge steps. This demonstration is not perfect though. I should have come to a complete stop instead of rushing out of the position. So important cues to consider are to forcefully push off the heels from the ground and sprint on the balls of the feet while using the arms to help with momentum. And when decelerating, it's important to stay low and allow the energy to be absorbed. So take long, low steps and completely stop. Next we have the lower body plyo drill, split squat jump. So the purpose of this is to help improve explosive movement, to accelerate and jump to intercept passes. So for this drill, get into a lunge position with about 90-degree flexion at the hip and knee. The counter movement, explosively jump upwards, maintaining the lunge position, and repeat. And then switch legs when number of reps are finished. Here's the demo. A mistake I made here is there should have been a double arm movement instead of alternating. And I don't know what's going on with my arms on the left side. So important cueing would be to jump as high and as quickly as possible, using both arms to drive the body upwards and minimize ground contact time as much as possible. For upper body plyometric drill, the purpose is to prepare and improve the athlete for catching and passing on the field, also building upper body power. So for this drill, a rebounder partner is necessary for this and a med ball. So both athletes will be standing about 10 feet apart, using a counter movement with the arms explosively push med bar forward towards the partner. Here's an example. So important cueing would be to stand in athletic stance with a neutral spine, breathe out on the throw, and be as quick and powerful while shortening the hold time. So that is it. These are my references. Thank you.